So, someone ever say to you, hey, let's grab coffee sometime?
Yeah, and every time I'm like, wait, was that real?
Right? Because it sounds like a plan.
But it's not always one.
Exactly. In the US, that line can mean two totally different things.
Either I actually want to meet, or I'm just being friendly.
And the hard part, they sound the same.
That messed me up at first. I'd hear it and think, okay, cool, coffee's happening.
Then you wait, and wait.
And nothing.
No date, no time, no follow-up.
I used to take that personal.
Same. But here's the thing. If it's real, they add details.
Like, are you free this week? Or I'm around Thursday.
Yeah, that's the tell.
No details means it's just polite.
And polite here doesn't mean fake, it just means low pressure.
Which is very American.
Totally. Same with, I'll shoot you an email.
Oh man, that one fooled me hard.
Same. I'd be like, cool, I'll wait for the email.
That email never came.
'Cause sometimes that line just means, nice talking to you.
So what do you do if you actually want to meet?
You make it easy and specific.
Like,
Hey, wanna grab coffee this week? That's it.
no, sometime?
Yeah, sometime is dangerous.
And if they're into it?
They'll lock it in.
If they're not?
They'll stay vague. Things are kind of crazy right now, or I'll let you know.
Which sounds nice, but doesn't promise anything.
Exactly. And that's not rude here.
It's just how people keep space.
What about following up, though? That's where people panic.
Yeah, how much is too much?
One follow-up is fine. After that, you let it drop.
No double texts.
No just checking in.
Silence means answer received.
Pretty much.
And we should hang out?
That one's pure vibe.
Not a plan.
Exactly. It means I like you.
Not open your calendar.
Once I got that, things felt way less awkward.
Same, you stop chasing clarity.
You watch actions instead.
And if something happens, great.
If not, also fine.
So yeah, let's grab coffee sometime.
Friendly energy.
Not always a real invite.
And that's okay. Once you hear it right, American networking makes a lot more sense.
Way less stress.
And way fewer imaginary coffee dates. And once you're aware of it, you start hearing these lines everywhere.
Yeah, it's kind of wild.
Like, let's do lunch. We should catch up. Hit me up sometime.
All sound active, none are plans.
Exactly. They're more like social fillers.
Keeps things friendly, no pressure.
I used to think I had to respond to all of them.
Same, like I owed them a plan.
Nah. In the US, not everything needs follow-through.
That was hard for me. Silence felt rude.
Here, silence just means neutral.
Not yes, not no.
Just open.
So what's the move when someone drops one of those lines?
You match their energy.
Meaning,
If they stay vague, you stay vague.
oh yeah, for sure.
Exactly. Friendly, light, no commitment.
And if you want it to happen,
Then you shift it.
you add specifics.
Hey, wanna grab lunch Wednesday?
That's clear.
Still polite, still easy.
What if they say, let me check?
That's another soft maybe.
So you wait,
You wait once.
and if nothing comes back,
You let it die.
cold.
Not cold, respectful.
That's a big difference.
Americans don't like being chased.
Yeah, pressure changes the vibe.
Quick.
I notice people open up more when you give them space.
100%.
So the real rule is,
Watch what they do.
not what they say.
Words are soft here.
Actions are loud.
Once you get that,
Networking feels less awkward.
and way less personal.
You stop overthinking.
You stop waiting.
And if it happens,
Cool.
if it doesn't,
Also cool.
that's the mindset shift.